The AirPods Pro 3rd generation from Apple represents a big innovation from the predecessors in terms of connectivity, design, and of course, audio performance, making them worthy of an upgrade if you happen to own an older variation. But of course, the competition is anything but easy since OnePlus brought their own challenger for Apple in the form of the OnePlus Buds Pro, which comes packed with detailed treble and rumbling bass alongside a lot of other nifty features. Question is, which one should you go for? And that is exactly what we're going to talk about today, so without further ado, let's begin. In terms of the design, the OnePlus Buds Pro resembles its predecessor in more than one way and comes in a two-tone design where a simple and sleek, matte textured earbud portion is delicately combined with a glossy stem design. The stems are just not for show. As a direct competitor of Apple, they also came up with the same functionalities where you can squeeze the stems once to play your pods, hold them to switch between transparency and ANC, and so on. The AirPods 3 follows suit with the same if it's not broken don't fix it formula, where it's borderline hard to differentiate between these and the older generation earbuds. They come in Apple's classic all-white minimalist design with protruding stems and the lines that curve ergonomically for a better fit. These stems come with touch-capacitive force sensors like the AirPod Pro that allow you to control music by squeezing on the stems. As far as features go, the OnePlus Buds Pro pulls no punches regarding connectivity as it comes with Bluetooth 5.3 straight off the bat, while including support for Bluetooth LE audio. You're also getting LHDC 4.0 alongside support for high-res audio, and if you have a OnePlus phone, you'll even get more options in terms of customization such as a hearing test and customizing sound profile, and it all takes just a few minutes to get it over with. The ANC is also customizable and adjusts the appropriate amount within 30 seconds, all while giving you access to spatial audio and customizable EQ. The buds also come with transparency mode to keep you aware while commuting, so that's a plus. Spatial audio takes your movie watching experience to the next level where the audio makes you feel as if it's coming from a surround sound setup. But you do need to be in the same ecosystem to reap the full benefit. The AirPods 3, while coming with support for the lossless audio quality which is now being offered in the Apple Music catalog, the buds do come with the signature spatial audio for TV shows. The spatial audio experience is further enhanced by conjuring an alliance with Dolby Atmos to help you experience immersion like never before. The immersion also takes a boost with Apple's unique head tracking feature that helps you with positional audio accurately. The buds are powered by the classic H1 chip and come with a nifty audio sharing feature that helps you to play the music simultaneously through two sets of AirPods. The AAC ELD codec is designed specifically to enhance speech, while the beamforming microphones come covered with an acoustic mesh in an attempt to reduce the wind noise, which works perfectly. For the sound, it's hard to complain about the OnePlus Buds Pro since the treble is bright and sharp and comes accompanied by a surprisingly deep bass but with a slight drop in the quality of the mid. While using high-res, this did not help with the sound quality since the speakers lack the resolution it needs. The spatial audio works perfectly, however, and can take positions everywhere related to the screen. The EQ can be a bit flimsy too, but there are a lot of options for you to tinker with, so that's a plus. AirPods 3, however, as always, feels like a significant improvement over their already marvelous sound quality, all thanks to new custom-made low distortion drivers combined with high-range amplifiers that deliver powerful bass laced with crisp and clean high-frequency sound. The adaptive EQ, much like the AirPods Pro, tailors the music to every individual ear by tuning the sound of the buds in real time based on the fit. For spatial audio, Apple takes 5.1, 7.1 and Dolby Atmos content and applies a layer of directional audio filters that plays the sound in a metaphorical 3D sphere, making you more immersed the more you listen. As for the battery life, you'll be getting up to 9 hours of music playback from the OnePlus Buds Pro and an additional 30 hours when combined with the case that's also compatible with Qi wireless charging. From Apple though, you'll get up to 6 hours of listening time or 4 hours of talk time with 4 additional charges from the case, adding up to about 30 hours. The case is compatible with Apple's MagSafe ecosystem, so while the initial battery does take a dip in comparison, the MagSafe compatibility should somewhat suffice for it. But for protection, the AirPods 3 offers a simple but effective IPX4 rating, while the OnePlus Buds 2 Pro offer a strong and reliable IP55 rating, rendering the buds almost immune to any type of liquid hazard. To sum it all up, if you belong in the OnePlus ecosystem and possess a OnePlus phone, the OnePlus Buds 2 Pro is the way to go, as you'll have access to all the features the Buds 2 Pro has to offer alongside future-proofed connectivity thanks to LE audio. However, they don't sound as good when compared to the AirPods 3 but do pack a better battery life. Alternatively, if spatial audio and sound quality are what you're after and you happen to have an iPhone, the AirPods 3 would be the better call here, but you gotta make some sacrifices regarding battery life. But then again, battery life was never a strength of Apple, so you win some, you lose some. You can get your hands on the OnePlus Buds 2 Pro for $179 and the Apple AirPods 3 for $179 as of right now. So, that was a comparison video on OnePlus Buds 2 versus AirPods 3. Which one of these buds will you be going for and why? Do let us know, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.